In the meantime, amidst mounting speculation that the popular Dream Weekend Party series could soon leave Negril, small hoteliers are bracing for a potential downturn in profits in the resort town. Now, it comes on the heels of already low occupancy in several small boutique hotels during the 5-day party series. Kalisha Williams has our story.
Scenes along the Negril hip strip in Westmoreland since August 1. Patrons having the time of their lives as Dream Weekend kicks off in the resort town. But the biggest speculation on the ground is that it could be the last time the party series is held in Negril. Some small hoteliers have also gotten word. For them, it could be a nightmare.
It's not nice. And, it's just, at the end of the day, it is what it is. Because it's not mine to say they can't go. But this Negril started, right? And it's tough to see. I know a lot of people are going to be upset about it.
I think that times change. Times are always changing and things develop and things change. And maybe the truth is that somewhere else is a better fit for Dream Weekend in these times. And look, there are a lot of other people who are trying to do things. The Negril Entertainment Association and those guys are keen to try and develop alternative things to Dream Weekend, having more local shows.
But that news came at a time when many small hotels in Negril have been seeing low occupancy levels.
Used to be fully booked from weeks before. And then you don't have a one room empty, right? Nowadays, even my colleagues, the hotels that are nearby, aren't getting as much either. You'd have from the beach road all the way down past me, full up of people for Dream Weekend.
And on top of that, entertainment in Negril has already been slowing to a crawl during the year outside of the seasonal party series like Dream Weekend. Some believe other major towns are unfairly being marketed as entertainment hubs.
I still believe places like Ochi and Kingston is going to be a hot topic. They get way more attention than Negril. There's a lot of places in Jamaica that don't get any attention at all.
There has been talk for years to build a designated entertainment zone in Negril. Stakeholder at Karela Inn, Daniel Grizzle, said it's full time the government fast-track those plans.
Everything evolves. Entertainment in Negril hasn't changed for the last 30 years. We need a venue that can attract major events. We are fortunate enough for the lands to be here in Negril, lands that are owned by the government.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.
The Director of Public Prosecution.